So welcome back. As I was saying before, so this place is for the front, that's for the ship lapel, and then the back is for the bottom. So it depends on the size, as I was explaining. So this one, so I'm just going to go with 12. So 12, I mark 12 here. I'm going to roll it out this place, with a straight line. You have to make it straight. You see? So you place your ruler like this. You mark it out, make it reach the 12 here. So like I said, this is 11 plus 11, that's 22, plus 2, that's 24. So 11 here, you place the 11 here. You see, this is 24 now. So we are not going to go to do it like this because it's 36. So we are going to minus around about 6 inches out. So we just said 11 from this place to this place. You can make it 21. Let's make it 21. It's going to be 42. Yeah, your French cuff also is going to work here. You mark this place. Once you mark it, you place your ruler, your French cuff, you place it. This for the back, you make it cuff. So you roll it out. So it remains cutting. Our cutting and everything is finished now. We remain to cut it out. So after cutting it out, that is when we will swing it. So then be expecting the video of how I'm going to swing it. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more, and thanks for always being there, for watching my video. I know I'm trying. I will keep trying to improve, bringing more video, the one that's going to be giving you more insight, as I'm also trying to reach out to people. I wanted to create a WhatsApp group so that everybody will be able to discuss about each of our the issues that is stopping us about tailoring work or on our work. But no, it's okay, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.